Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are solving the CBSE 2023 accounts paper. In this video, we'll be solving question number 19 and 20. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, then hit the subscribe button to receive notification whenever a new video is shared, and also to be able to find these videos easily on the channel, you need to be subscribed so that you get that bookmark on your list and you can use all the study materials for your complete preparation for the upcoming ISC and the CBSE examination. Without further ado, let's get started with question number 19 in this video. Question 19 is a sum on retirement and we are required to pass the journal entry for goodwill. Just one single entry is required here. Let's have a look. Viva, Sudha, and Ashish were partners in a firm, sharing profits in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, and Sudha retired, and the balance in her capital account after making necessary adjustments on account of reserves, revaluation of assets, and reassessment of liabilities was 85,000. This was the balance. Viva and Ashish agreed to pay Sudha 1,15,000 in full settlement of her claim. So this extra 30,000 which has been paid to Sudha, this is nothing but her share of goodwill. Okay, and that's what you have to do. Record the necessary journal entry for goodwill on Sudha's retirement. So here 30,000 is given to Sudha, that is clear, and we understand that this is given by the gaining partners in the gaining ratio. Now the question doesn't have any further information given. So we have to calculate the gaining ratio from this ratio which is given here. Sudha's share is the middle one, third, so that will go away. The remaining is 2 is to 1. Old ratio becomes the gaining ratio itself. So that's why here gaining ratio will be 2 is to 1. So Viva's capital account debit, Ashish's capital account debit to Sudha's capital account. Viva and Ashish will give 30,000 in the ratio 2 is to 1, which is 20,000 and 10,000. This is the journal which is required here, and that is for 3 marks. Sudha's share of goodwill adjusted to capital accounts of Vibha and Ashish in their gaining ratio of 2 is to 1. Okay, so this is the journal which is required for 3 marks, and in this case, even if you are able to do the gaining ratio calculation directly, that is fine. Otherwise, you can do the calculation in your working. But remember, if you are having the same ratio for the continuing partners, the old ratio and the new ratio remains the same. In that case, the gaining ratio is also equals to the new ratio. The gaining ratio remains the same as well. Okay, that saves you a lot of calculation time. So that's how you score 3 marks here. And let's move on to the next one. Question 20 में आ जाते हैं अब. Meeta, Gita, and Mohit are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. From 1st April उनका नया PSR होने वाला है 2 is to 2 is to 1. उन्होंने अपना PSR चेंज किया यहाँ पे. Goodwill of the firm 1,40,000 है. Profit on revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities 1,20,000 है. We have to pass journal entries for the above transactions and we have to show the workings clearly. जब भी mention होगा that show your workings clearly, इसका मतलब workings के लिए भी marks हैं. So करते हैं one by one. चले आते हैं working सबसे पहले. Calculation of gain or sacrifice, new share minus old share. मीता का शेयर था 5/10 माइनस न्यू शेयर 2/5, तो मीता ने सैक्रिफाइस किया 1/10. गीता ने गेन किया 1/10, 3/10 माइनस 2/5, और मोहित का कोई चेंज नहीं है. तो एज पर द रूल जो गेनिंग पार्टनर है वो सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर को कॉम्पेंसेट करता है. सो गीताज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू मीताज कैपिटल अकाउंट. 1/10 गेन किया. गुडविल है 1,40,000. सो 1,40,000 का 1/10 हो गया 14,000. ओके, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड कैलकुलेशन करना है. सो इसलिए पहला जर्नल यहाँ कंप्लीट होता है. गीताज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू मीताज कैपिटल अकाउंट. गुडविल एडजस्टेड ऑन चेंज इन PSR 14,000 उन्होंने दे दिया. इस जर्नल के लिए अलॉटेड है हाफ मार्क. अब चले आते हैं नेक्स्ट वाले में जो कि है रिवैल्यूएशन. सो प्रॉफिट ऑन रिवैल्यूएशन एंड रीअसेसमेंट दे दिया गया ऑलरेडी 1,20,000 जो कि सारे पार्टनर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा इन देयर ओल्ड रेशियो. हमेशा याद रखना ये चीज़. ये रूल सेम है एडमिशन के लिए भी, रिटायरमेंट और डेथ के लिए भी. that revaluation profit is distributed in the old ratio among the partners. So revaluation account debit 1,20,000 to Mita's capital account, to Geeta's capital account, to Mohit's capital account 60,000, 36,000, 24,000 के रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गया. So profit on revaluation and the reassessment of liabilities is transferred to the partners in the old PSR. ठीक है, ये जर्नल भी हो गया. मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देख लेते हैं. हाफ मार्क्स है इस जर्नल के लिए, फर्स्ट वाले, एज आई टोल्ड यू. सेकेंड जर्नल के लिए 1 मार्क है और वर्किंग्स के लिए 1.5 मार्क्स है. ठीक है, अगर वर्किंग नहीं दिखाते हो तो ये 1.5 मार्क पूरे पूरे चले जाएंगे. इस तरह है यहाँ पे मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. सो क्वेश्चन 20 भी हो चुका है. अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस है, इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन लेट मी नो in the comments box below. I'll help you out. If you learned something new out of this video, then hit the like button and share with your friends. Do share with all your friends so that they can also get benefited. Stay tuned to this channel. We'll have loads of videos coming in for your preparation. Thanks for watching.